Hello, in today at Model Corner we'll be looking at the Gemini Jet's Aeroflot Ilyushin IL-62M in 1/400 scale. As you can see, it comes packaged in a nice presentation box. You can see an image of the plane on the front, identical to the one inside, the airline it ran with, and the model of the plane. And on the back we have some information about what a Gemini Jet is, plus another picture of the plane. If you open it up, you can see the plane inside the box there. Very nicely, so if you didn't want to take it out, you can have it on display like this. And we have some information about the history of the Ilyushin IL-62M and some specification information such as length, height and wingspan in feet and inches, and some other information you might like to know such as range, seating, cruising speed, things of that nature. Well, let's open it up and have a look at the model itself. Comes out of the box easily. Comes packed with a bit of plastic on top. Remove that. Shift plastic on top of that. And here you have it. The Ilyushin IL-62M. It's quite a unique looking plane by modern standards. You can see we've got rear mounted engines. These are dual engine nacelles towards the rear of the fuselage. We have a T-tail. See, forms a big shape of a T on top. Now let's look at some of the details on these things. You can see got the flaps and ailerons here. You can see the rudders and elevators on the tail. Got very nice landing gear here and here. And we have a couple of extra parts here, which I'll look at in a minute. Let's look at the wings. You can see we've got big CCCP 86492, which is the registration, which is also written here. We have the flag of the Soviet Union right there. Of course, we've got Aeroflot, a little, get it to focus. Got a little Soviet symbol here. Here we have, okay, the Cyrillic 62M, referencing the make of the plane. Of course, again, it says Aeroflot here, but of course, in Cyrillic. Again, looking at this, all those lovely details. We've got very nice jet engines at the back. Very nice landing gear. Just overall, it's a very, very nice model with wingspan of about 10.8 centimeters, a length of about 13.3 centimeters. Now, I did say it comes with a couple of extra parts, but as you can see here, the Ilyushin had, standard landing gear like this, but it also had an extra landing gear option here for when it was parked. See, we have two pieces. We have an extended landing gear option and a non-extended landing gear option. And these are to just fit onto the rear of the plane in that gap you saw, like so. So you can display it with it down or with it up, whatever you chose. So you can see, overall, very nice plane. And it is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.